In this video, we will provide a detailed introduction to our product. Brushless Lithium Chainsaw. The packaging box is tightly sealed and covered with a protective film. It provides dual protection for both transportation and display. Upon opening the box, you can see all accessories neatly stored. Unscrew the oil cap to prepare for adding 4-stroke engine oil. Use a tool to add the engine oil. Fill until the oil level reaches approximately 80% in the sight glass, as shown in the video. Then securely install the lithium battery onto the chainsaw body. Do not forcefully press the start switch before pressing the lock lever to prevent damage to the safety mechanism. To start, first press the lock lever, then press the start switch. The chainsaw will only start when both are pressed simultaneously, preventing accidental activation and injury. The battery features a built-in button for real-time power level display. After use, press the button inside the battery to remove it. A red light on the charger indicates charging. A green light indicates full charge. To replace the chainsaw chain, unscrew the knob at the position shown in the video when the power is disconnected. Open the plastic cover. Then lift off the guide bar. When installing the chainsaw chain, ensure its direction matches the video. When installing the guide bar, slightly stretch it outward to appropriately tension the chain. This prevents inability to adjust the tension due to improper installation. Then reattach the plastic cover. Rotate the knob to adjust the chain tension. Adjust to approximately the tension shown in the video. Reinstall and tighten the knob to secure it. Proper protective measures should be taken before use. This product perfectly balances cutting capability, portability, ease of use, and environmental friendliness. It significantly enhances the efficiency and convenience of yard maintenance, small woodworking projects, and emergency handling. The deflector plates located above and at the end of the chainsaw effectively block most flying debris during operation.